Hi there my friends. I did some updates on the SPUC package, which is a collection of over 80 units or subgraphs for Unity visual scripting, and it is there to help you all create the games with visual scripting much faster and have these nicely organized subgraphs that you can use throughout all of your games. Also, there are some game templates or examples that are in this package, and this is one of them, that you can explore and find how it works, or use one of those game templates as a start for your game. If you don't have access to it yet, or you know someone that is interested, currently it is on Black Friday sale, so be sure to grab that. If you have any questions about SPUC or visual scripting, I have a streaming every week, Tuesdays and Thursdays on Twitch, so you can follow me there, ask questions, and see what we're working on. Also, you can join my Discord server and ask questions there. I'll be making short videos on how to make certain mechanics with visual scripting and SPUC, so be on the lookout for that. And if you want to support this channel, you can always do that on Patreon. Thanks to everyone that is already currently supporting, and every dollar helps me out a lot. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.